Welcome to today's show. Your boy Ismail here. On today's show, we're going to be going over Bitcoin miners done selling. 5 things to know for Bitcoin price this week. Also on today's update, crypto research report predict 397k Bitcoin price by 2030. Researcher behind the June 2020 report from Crypto Research Report used Bitcoin target addressable market to predict a rise to almost 400,000. On today's. Also, for those who like to diversify their income, discover how to earn Ethereum daily guide directly to your Ethereum wallet with the simple and lucrative Ethereum smart contract. The link should be in the description below. Welcome everybody, your boy I am here. Bitcoin price began the new week on a certain time after regaining $9,000. But where is Bitcoin headed in the coming days? Cointelegraph highlight 5 factors driving Bitcoin price action for the week ahead. Stock optimism returned with the 9K. Following a major slide on Friday, stock futures were gaining on early Monday despite ongoing pressure from COVID-19 concern. Dow Jones and S&P and Nasdaq future all rose modestly, cementing a quiet weekend that saw Bitcoin outperform in terms of volatility. Bitcoin USD, which has shown a tendency to copy stock market movement in recent weeks, briefly lost 9,000 support on Sunday before regaining the level. The move had in fact been long coming. Most of last week saw 9,000 testing in a slow grind down away from 5 figures. Further weakness in the S&P 500, with which Bitcoin is 95% collateral in recent months, could be particularly damaging in the short term. Trader turned void warned on Tuesday. Nevertheless, some traders were optimistic. Cointelegraph Markets analyst Mike Van de Pope note that even at the recent low around $8,900, Bitcoin was still up 140% since March. Last week, bearish momentum appeared to take its toll on Bitcoin network fundamental. The difficulties set for adjustment in around 30 hours has flipped negative. Should the trend continue, a downward shift would consistently starkly with the 15% rise seen during the last adjustment 2 weeks ago. The difficulty is an essential mechanism that ensures miners incentivized to participate in Bitcoin network. An automatic adjustment function as economy policy. Bitcoin hash rate has also leveled off, having conversely seen gain of 10% last week. The weekly average activities was 115 EFs at press time. One potential price point Albert note for the future price is a gap left in the CME Group Bitcoin future market over the weekend. As Cointelegraph often note, if the future begin Monday, trading in a different place to where on previous Friday, Bitcoin tend to rise or fall to fill the hole. This week, the gap lies between around $9,180 and $9,250. $100 higher than press time level. On Friday, a giant expiry on Bitcoin option open interest of nearly 1 billion failed to have any significant impact on the price, contrary to expectation. Nonetheless, the derivative are seen as a major market factor for Bitcoin, with the volume and open interest regularly hitting a new high across operators. On the part of everyday trader, the mood appeared little changed from last week. According to the Crypto Fear and Crypto Greed Index, an indicator measuring a tool for traders' sentiment, fear still about. The tool used multiple factors to compile an index from 1 to 100, with a higher score assigned a trader or irrationally optimistic and a correction is due. The index current score is 41, down 9 points versus last week. High from June 24. The brief spike came as price rose around following rumors that PayPal was preparing to support cryptocurrency. Miner sentiment will continue to be under the spotlight in the short term after June saw periods of heavy sell-off. According to data from on-chain analyst resource CryptoQuant, mining pool outflow come toward the end of the last week after a spike on June 24th. As Cointelegraph reported, that was likely driven by 2 Chinese pools, with the destination of 7,000 Bitcoin potentially over-the-counter sell trades. June 26, meanwhile, saw a spike on outflow from a smaller CryptoQuant added. On our next update, a new report from Crypto Research Group suggests that the price of Bitcoin could approach $4,000 in the next 10 years, with the altcoin following its bullish example. According to the June 2020 edition of the Crypto Research Report, researchers predict the Bitcoin price and the other altcoins, Ethereum, Litecoin, Bitcoin Cash, Stellar would get a huge surge before 2025, which may continue for at least 5 years. At the very start of its adoption curve, the report states, the price of $7,200 at the end of 2019 suggests that Bitcoin has penetrated less than 0.44% of its total addressable market, worth $212 trillion. If this penetration managed to reach 10%, it's a non-discount utility price should reach nearly 400,000. That would mean a price increase of more than 4,000% for Bitcoin by 2030. But Ethereum and Litecoin and Bitcoin Cash has also looking bullish in this scenario, with a surge of roughly 1,600% and 5,000%, 5,400% respectively. However, XML would see the largest increase, more than 11,000%, from 0.7 cents to $7.81. The report also observed on and off-chain velocity metric for altcoin and conclude that the growth in the number of speculative transactions on exchange is faster than the growth of utility transactions to buy goods and service. On-chain volatility is a metric measured by transaction on a blockchain, while off-chain volatility is determined by trading activities on the crypto exchange. While analyzing Bitcoin, the researcher note that the price of the cryptocurrency and its activity on the exchange both increase at roughly at the same time. On our next news, Ripple price could fail near 18 cents. The past week, Ripple extended its decline below the 19-cent support. XRP broke many key support near 18 cents to move further into a bearish zone. More importantly, there was a close below to 18 cents level and a 100 hourly simply moving average. It's straight to a new monthly low at 16 cents and recently started an upside correction. The bull pushed the price above 17 cents and 17 cents resistance level. The price even spiked above 50% fib retracement level, downward move from 18 cents high to 16 cents low. However, the previous support near the 18 cents level is not acting as strong resistance for the bulls, as you can see on the graph below. There is also a connection bearish trend line forming with the resistance near 17 cents on the hourly chart of the XRP USD pair. Above the trend line, the 61.8% fig retracement level of the downward move from the 18 cents to the 16 cents low is near 18 cents and the 100 hourly simple moving average. Also on today's update, Ethereum price is near crucial. After a strong decline below $225, Ethereum found support near the $215 region against the USD. Ethereum price traded as low as $216 and recently started an upside correction above $220 level. The price was also able to climb above $220 and $222 resistance level. However, Ethereum seemed to be facing a crucial resistance near the 228 level and 100 hourly simple moving average. There's also a major bearish trend line forming with a resistance near 226 on the hourly chart of the Ethereum USD. The pair is currently consolidating near the 23.6% fig retracement level of the recent move from the 216 swing low to 228 high. Initial support is near the 222 level, the recent breakout zone. The 50% fig retracement level of the recent move from the 216 swing low to 228 high is also near 222. On the upside, the price is clearly facing a major huddle near the $228 and $230 level. To move to a positive zone, the bull would need to clear the 230 resistance to settle above the 100 hourly simple moving average. And you know we saved the best for last. This past week, Bitcoin started a fresh decline below the 9,200 support level. Bitcoin even broke the 9,000 hurdle before it found support near the $8,800 level. Price is currently recovering, but the bull are likely to face hurdle near the $9,200 and the $9,300 similarly. Most major altcoins are trading in a bearish zone, including Ethereum, XRP, Litecoin, Bitcoin Cash, Binance, EOX, TRX, ADA, and XLM. Ethereum is currently trading above the 222. It might fail near 228 and 230. XRP is showing bearish sign and trading below 18 cents. After testing the USD $8,800 support, Bitcoin price started to upside correction. Bitcoin recovered above the USD 9,200 level, but is struggling to clear the 9,200 resistance. Moreover, there is a crucial weekly resistance forming near the 9,300, above which the bulls might take control in the coming session. If not, the price is likely to resume the decline below the 9,000 support. In this case, the bear are likely to target a new low below $8,800 support. Ethereum price is correcting higher from the 215 support and is close above 220. However, Ethereum is facing a lot of hurdles such as 225 and 228 and $230 to start a strong increase. The price must surpass the $230 resistance. Conversely, a downside break below the 220 support may perhaps restart downtrend. The weekly support is at 215, below which the price might drive toward $204 or $200. Bitcoin Cash and XRP. Bitcoin Cash, Litecoin, and XRP price. Bitcoin Cash declined steadily below the 230 support level. Bitcoin Cash even broke the $220 support and is currently correcting higher. On the upside, an initial resistance is near the 225 level. The first key resistance is near the $230 level, above which the price may revisit the 240 resistance. On the downside, the main support are $204, $202, and $200. Litecoin is trading above the $40 support and is struggling to recover. And the essential resistance is near the $42 level, above which the price might start a decent recovery toward the $45 resistance. If not, there is a risk of more losses below the $40 support in the near term. XRP is following the bearish path and trading well below 18 cents pivot level. It seems like the price might continue to move down below 17 cents and 17 cents again, below 17 cents. The next major support is near the 16 cents level. On the upside, the price must surpass the 18 cents resistance to start a steady recovery. This have been your boy Ismail with today's top 5 crypto news alert and update. Have a great day. Peace.